Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Welcome to our presentation. I'm Aulia Tunisa and I will be the moderator. Before we begin, I would like to introduce you to the presenters. Their names are Indi and Balkis. Today, they will explain about the young generation in developed and developing countries. Without further ado, I would like to invite our presenters to start their presentation.
The role of youth in nation building is very important because the progress of a nation lies in this next generation. Democracy, economics, technology, and advance in medical science. The fate of all this field is in the hands of the younger generation, including poverty, unemployment, global warming, and various types of social problems and pollution. There are problems that must be faced by world peer and today's young generation. Young people are the most dynamic and important segment of the population in any country. Statistics show that developing countries with large youth populations can experience extraordinary growth in all sectors of the country, provided that invest in education, health, and protect and guarantee their rights. It is believed that the minds of today's young generation are the designs of tomorrow's leaders, creators, and builders and innovators. A superior young generation will give birth to a superior nation. However, on the contrary, if the younger generation is weak, it will cause a backlash against a country. This is in accordance with the data presented by the Ministry of Youth and Sport, that there are 10 nation character problems in the younger generation, namely increasing violence among youth, dishonest tendencies, reduce disrespect for parents, teachers, leaders, community attitudes, suspicion, and hatred each other, the worsening use of the Indonesian language, the development of deviant behavior, drugs, pornography, porno action, the tendency to adopt foreign cultural values, the weakening of idealism and patriotism, and the increasing attitude of pragmatism and hedonism, and there are many other negative impacts caused by this negative influence.
Globalization among the younger generation have an important role in shaping the future and pushing the country towards higher achievements. It is very important to preserve an intelligent and superior young generation. However, in developed countries, the birth rate continues to decline. This is a problem caused by several factors. People in developed countries have children, so that the birth rate in these countries continues to decline every year. There are several reasons why couples have fewer children. The most important thing is the cost of education. Jobs in developed countries increasingly require highly educated workers, and the cost of this education are mostly borne by parents. Another reason in the growth of cities, as people move from rural areas to cities, there is pressure to limit family size. The high cost of plantation mean limited living space and room for large families. In previous eras, a breadwinner was able to support the household. Currently, but parents usually have to work. Without child care that parents can afford or the help of grandparents, couple may not want to have many children. Another reason for the low birth rate is the success of the woman movement. This has resulted in economic independence for many women. As women gain greater equality and independence, they choose to pursue careers and have children later in life. Even though developed countries have small population, this also has a positive impact, namely reducing environmental burdens such as pollution, deforestation, and global warming because they have smaller population and are more efficient in using natural resources.
The conclusion is youth play a crucial role in nation building as they contribute to the progress of democracy, economic, technology, and medical science. However, they also face challenges such as poverty, unemployment, global warming, and social problems. Developing countries with large youth population can experience extraordinary growth if they invest in education, health, and protect their rights. A strong young generation can lead to a superior nation, but a weaker generation can cause decline. Globalization and the birth rate in developed countries are influenced by factors such as the cost of education, the growth of cities, and the success of the women's movement. Despite these challenges, developing countries have smaller populations which has reduced environmental burdens such as pollution, deforestation, and global warming. Preserving an intelligent and superior young generation is essential for a better future. Okay, finally, we have now reached the end of this presentation. I would like to thank all the presenters for this wonderful presentation and to the audience for their participation. Thank you for your kind attention and have a nice day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.